Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick small video about a GoPro accessory pack that I picked up. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. What is up everybody? Hope you guys are doing well. So this is just going to be a quick video I picked up from Best Buy. I picked up this tripod mount pack from GoPro. I was looking for some of the Hero 9 accessories. There wasn't really much there. They did have a couple items from GoPro for like the Hero 9. They had the new Hero 9 remote, which is the same as this thing right here. It's just a newer version of this remote, and I'd have to take it out of the rubber sleeve I have it in, but that's the older GoPro remote for the 5, 6, 7, and 8. It just comes with a couple accessories. Comes with one of these right here, comes with this right here, and I use this a lot. This is just the GoPro version. See, I take the camera off the tripod. This is not a GoPro version. This is just a one that came with some stuff that I got off Amazon, and it's the same. This one has brass threaded sections, where this one looks like it's got nickel maybe. But I bought the pack because I specifically wanted this slide mount. So, camera slides really easy on this mount. On this one I've been using for a while, it's a little bit tighter fit on this mount. So I'm going to put this on a different tripod. And sorry about that. So I got it out the little package. It also comes with this little tiny tripod, which is nice. It will allow me to get the camera a lot closer to the ground, as an example. Or let's take this out and pull the camera off this one. Put the camera on this tripod, this little tripod, real quick. So it would allow me to get really low. Let me flip this tripod over real quick. Put it on the wrong side. There we go. So it might allow me to get really low. That's how close the camera is. So if I needed the camera to get really low, that's how low the camera is. Camera's only, the GoPro is only about 2.5 inches or so off the cart. So it's nice. This tripod will come in handy if it's needed for really short access points. Just to show you guys. That's how close to the ground it is. It's about 3 inches. So it gets shorter than this tripod right here, which is nice. So I'm just going to put this camera back on this tripod real quick. It's a nice little accessory pack. I only paid I only paid 20 bucks for it. It's like $21 after tax. I don't normally use these. I have a bunch of these in aluminum, but I use this all the time. This is just the GoPro branded one. Like I just showed you, that's what's on the tripod. So it allows me to easily slip this camera as long as it has the slide buckle shoe. You can just slip this quickly onto any tripod. I'm going to end up picking, I found a bunch of these by Small Tree and a couple other companies, including Ulanzi that makes these in metal. And it's got these slides as well as on the bottom here, it's got the threads like this, as well as the Arca style shoe, the Arca Swiss mount. So you can mount it to an Arca Swiss head for camera tripods. So I'm going to pick some of those up and we'll go over those on a video as well. But, you know, that's all I got on this video. It's a pretty short, quick video. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. GoPro product is covered by a lifetime warranty and gets defect in material and workmanship for the life of the product for the benefits of the first purchaser or gift recipient. You know, I've never had any issues with certain accessories. I am thinking about getting the Max Grip and a couple other items from GoPro as well. I get a 30% off accessories and even cameras from GoPro directly because I am a GoPro member. I have I pay $5 a month for the membership so I can use the GoPro cloud service. And that gives me 30% on certain things and 38% on others. Majority of the items I get 38% off on, but like cameras I get 30% off on. So I'm probably gonna go pick up some more accessories from the GoPro website instead of getting them from Best Buy or Walmart, or unless I'm in a hurry. I picked this up because I needed another one of these quickly. But that's about it. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Do appreciate you guys stopping by, hanging out with me today. And want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, people that like, dislike, people that watch the ads every once in a while on the videos, as well as the people that use the affiliate links, because you guys are the reason the channel is monetized. And I'm going to start doing more content for the channel that people have asked for, including tool testing videos and head-to-head videos with tools, stuff like that. I do enjoy doing the electronic videos and the camera videos as well. I plan on doing some more DSLR videos coming to the channel in the future. Appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all have a great rest of your day. Peace!